Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now, but suddenly you can't, or basically you are seeing a 404 page not found error on your Wix site. Well, it usually means something is broken or maybe unpublished, so in today's small tutorial I'll make sure to show you all of them fixes to this type of problems. So let's get started. We're gonna make it fast, gonna make it easy as usual. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for wix.com. After this, you're gonna tap on this website, it will take you to a new window where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. So we can go and select your website from here. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way to the design site so we can actually preview what's going on. Right now we just are waiting so the website editor can fully upload. Well, after this, all you got to do is verify your page link, make sure everything is looking good, make sure the link is basically correct. Since broken manual links often cause this 404 errors. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go all the way to preview, make sure everything is looking good. So on this preview mode, you can basically use the website as if it's live. So go ahead, tap on menu to go and check about, go to contacts or whatever. You can even switch to mobile. Make sure everything is working perfectly. You should also check your custom domain connection, clear the browser cache if needed, publish your site again. And if you're still going through this type of problems, you should also contact the Wix support, send them screenshots, the message saying 404 and all of this, and they're gonna help you. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.